Let's learn something new, but this time, keep your mind relaxed and just enjoy it. Ever wonder why you forget your dreams so fast? Even the crazy ones? Maybe it's not just your brain deleting them. Maybe it's because dreams aren't meant to stay as memories. Some people believe dreams are like a hidden reflection of your thoughts, fears, and desires. Things your mind doesn't fully process during the day. So when you wake up, your brain doesn't hold on to the full story, only small emotional pieces. That's why you sometimes remember just one moment, one feeling, or one face, but never the full dream. And maybe that's the interesting part. Dreams are not meant to be replayed like a movie. They're more like signals, showing what your mind is thinking about quietly. So when you forget a dream, it's not completely gone. It just leaves behind a feeling, not a full memory. Your brain hides more secrets than you think. Subscribe for more crazy facts like this every day.
Do it!